Hello and welcome back to another video. So this video will be short. Today I'll be taking you through the CoinCheck website. So let's get started. The leading Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange in Asia. You can click this button to sign in if you have an account. We have been featured in Weird, TechCrunch, WBS and more. Buy and sell Bitcoin 24-hour. CoinCheck exchange, CoinCheck payment and CoinCheck leading. You can click this button to check out TradeView, the most user-friendly cryptocurrency exchange. So I'm going to end the video right here. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you liked. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to go to the WizCoins website, find more information about Bitcoin.